Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th October 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So here I have already opened the chart. If I talk about let's talk about the closing first over here. In this closing, we can see a 0.10% negative move. 1.34189 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first over here. So let's open our weekly chart. So currently, if I talk about this weekly chart, the candle of the week is a bullish candle with a medium body with a high or a big lower wick and a small to medium upper wick. Currently, stochastic RSI is around 13 to 17, which is at oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look or depend on only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So this is a 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload every week for the currency pair, and soon I'll be sharing the crypto as well. Currently, if I talk about the GBP USD closing, that is around 1.34189. Here the direct support is 1.33805 and direct resistance is 1.34312. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33394 and then 1.33003. So after direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34667 and then 1.35069. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also some important data which will help you to take better trades. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. And also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared a live withdrawal payout request and I have received the payout. I have shown everything on that video. You can check that out as well so that you get to know that even prop firms are giving payout on time. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. Currently, here I am expecting a negative move which is around 1.33394 to 1.33805. I'm expecting a negative move in this range. If you are looking for a bullish trade, then only go for a bullish trade once 1.34312 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets close above this, then we can go for a long tail 1.34667 or the high of this candle, which is 1.34709. Also, what are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.